You asked, we answered. Welcome to our latest Elliott Wave TV video mailbag, where our analysts sit down to answer questions submitted by viewers like you. If you have a question for one of our analysts, visit the link below to submit it, and we'll do our very best to get to it the next time around. Enjoy.
Our first question comes from Trevor from Denver, Colorado, who asks, when you open up a fresh chart, how do you start to label waves, especially if you're new to it?
Since markets are continuous, you should always begin counting waves at a major high or a major low relative to the wave degree you are viewing, such as hourly, daily, weekly, and so on.
Deborah from Liverpool, England would like to know, which time frame should I use for trading corrective waves intraday?
For intraday trading, start with a 4-hour chart, 240 minutes. From there, you can go to a 30 or a 15-minute chart. Keep in mind, it's still helpful to know the bigger picture, say on the daily or weekly charts, just in case you are approaching a major turning point at multiple degrees of trend.
Next up, Nick from Boston, Massachusetts asks, do quarterly earnings releases ever interrupt or change an Elliott wave formation, or should we look for that to just be a continuation of the existing wave that is forming at the time?
Elliott wave patterns emerge independently of the news and therefore earnings announcements.
Our next question comes from Lucas from Melbourne, Australia. In the Forex markets, scheduled news releases sometimes cause sharp and temporary spikes on the charts. Should those spikes be taken into considerations during the analysis, or should they be ignored?
Although there may be knee-jerk reaction from certain announcements, the subsequent price action appears as part of the existing wave pattern.
Today's last question is from Sean in San Francisco, who would like to know, are there any patterns that suggest an imminent reversal in the main trend?
A triangle, which is a corrective structure, always precedes the final actionary wave in the pattern at higher degree. For example, the triangle in wave 4 of an impulse pattern confirms there will be one more move in the direction of the main trend at one higher degree, before the trend reverses. A triangle in wave B of a flat or a zigzag confirms there will be one more move in the direction of the main trend, wave C, before that trend reverses.